Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the modification station in Subnautica 2. This is especially useful for creating upgrades for your vehicles and more. So, to get the blueprint, first of all, you'll need to find this research outpost, which has a icon of alien ruins on it. This is going to be located around 1300 meters to the east. Make sure you watch out for the Leviathan, which is going to be between the research outpost and the life pod. And here, once you enter the research outpost, you can see in this crook there is going to be the modification station. So you can go ahead and scan it. And this is going to give you the blueprint to make the modification station. Also, another material you'll need is Celestine. Celestine can be found just right next to it and inside of this biome. You can go as I'm going. Make sure to watch out for these creatures which are going to shoot some spikes at you. And you're gonna need a sonic resonator. You don't need to have the depth upgrade module like I do. And this is the Celestine. It looks like this, kind of a crystal, and using the sonic resonator you can break it. This is going to give you Celestine, and now we can go back to our base. And when you're going back to your base, here is going to be a large canyon, and here you can see the Leviathan, which you need to look out for. But it is not really that hard to pass through him. You'll just need to hide behind those rock formations, as you can see here. So he'll just hide here after he is going to wander away again because he has seen me, and you want to go to the other one and then just go to the life pod. So once you've came back to your base, you want to pick out your habitat builder, go to interior facilities, and right at the top in the production tab you'll see the modification station. You'll need 2x titanium, which can be found literally everywhere on this map, but most commonly it is found on these rock formations, on these cliffs. And copper is found inside of caves, on the ceiling, and Celestine is found where I've shown you. So you can go ahead and place the modification station down, and here you can craft the tadpole upgrades. So this is pretty much all, how to get the modification station in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.